These school holidays, the CNRL Library teams have created loads of FAST video workshops for you to try at home. FAST is food, art, science and technology, so get ready for 2 weeks of FAST fun. There will be lots of experimenting and creating, baking and shaking, composing and crafting, mixing and measuring, with the occasional surprise. We start with a week of food where you'll get to make your own ice cream, create lots of delicious chocolate treats, make jam and butter for your own scones, biscuits and more. In week 2, you'll learn to make stop-motion animations, how to predict the weather, craft some fabulous foil art, scare your friends with festy fake wounds and monstrous eggs, as well as lots of other activities. Find our workshops on our library Facebook pages, YouTube channel and the CNRL Library website. We'd love to see what you create these holidays, so comment with your photos and videos in our FAST school holiday posts on your library Facebook page. Have a great holiday with the FAST school holiday workshops.